Hello everyone, good morning all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel and my Instagram ID. So today in this video I will teach you some prepositions. So guys, watch this video till the end. And this is my humble request, if you new on my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. If you new on my Instagram ID, so please follow me, okay? So guys, first I would like to share with you some things. Actually guys, I have been not any making videos so many times because I don't know guys what happening with me. Actually morning time I wake up and I think like today I will do these things, I will do that things, and I will make video on that topic, I will make video on this topic. But I wake up, after that I worship on my Laddu Gopal because I am devotee of Krishna. And after that guys, noon time what happening with me I don't know. I sleep and evening time I wake up. And after that only I help to my sisters in study. After that I sleep. This kind of I spending my time. I don't know guys why and what happening with me. But today when I wake up and I thought today I will make video at any cost, at anyhow today I will make video. So that's why I'm here. And guys, promise you every day I will make video on YouTube and Instagram. I will not waste my time. Yeah guys, nowadays I'm very lazy girl, but I don't know why. But in future, okay, each day I will make video, promise you I don't waste my time. Okay, so today our topic, today I will teach you preposition, two preposition in this video I will teach you. First one is instead of and the second one is in spite of. Okay, and these preposition, if you learn this preposition is very useful preposition. And if you, while speaking, if you use this preposition, so you can make your language very effectively. Okay, so that's why watch this video till the end. And guys, so here I will teach you these preposition with Hindi and English. Okay, when I give you example Hindi and English, both languages I will give you example. But guys, to be honest, when I speak English at that time I feel like that I speak only English, not use any Hindi word. But if I speak only English, so you can't understand very clearly. Okay, so that's why here I will use Hindi when I give you examples. So Hindi and English, both languages I will give you examples. Okay, don't worry about it like you can't understand. Don't think about it like whatever I will teach you can't understand. Everything you can understand very easily. So first one is instead of. If I am talking Hindi meaning, instead of के बजाय. Okay, so let's take examples. First example is आपको इंग्लिश बोलने की बजाय हिंदी बोलनी चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पीक इंग्लिश यू शुड स्पीक हिंदी. ओके, आपको इंग्लिश बोलने की बजाय हिंदी बोलनी चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ स्पीक इंग्लिश यू शुड स्पीक हिंदी. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल वी हैव, आप दूसरों की मदद करने की बजाय पहले आपको खुद की मदद करनी चाहिए. हाउ टू से इन इंग्लिश दिस सेंटेंस? So this sentence in English we will say, instead of help others you should help yourself first. Okay, this kind of way. And the next example we have, मुझसे बात करने की बजाय, उससे बात करने की बजाय आपको मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए. How to say in English? उससे बात करने की बजाय आपको मुझसे बात करनी चाहिए. Instead of talk to her you should talk to me. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ वे. इफ़ यू हैव टू से मुझसे बात करने की बजाय आपने उससे बात की, तो हाउ डू से इन इंग्लिश दिस सेंटेंस इन इंग्लिश यू विल से, इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉक टू मी यू टॉक टू हर. ओके, दिस काइंड ऑफ वे. इंस्टेड ऑफ के बजाय. क्लियर? And guys, this is your responsibility. I will give you one preposition instead of. You will have to make lots of sentences on and the next preposition we have in spite of. If I am talking Hindi meaning, in spite of के बावजूद. Okay, let's take so many examples. Okay, first example we have, पैसे होने के बावजूद वह कोई पैसा खर्च नहीं करता. How to say in English this sentence? In spite of having money, he don't spend any money. ओके, बारिश होने के बावजूद बच्चे बाहर खेल रहे हैं. ओके, in spite the rain, the children are playing outside. This kind of way you can make lots of sentences. Instead of के बजाय in spite of के बावजूद. ओके, बोलने के बावजूद वह अंग्रेज़ी नहीं सीख पाया. In spite of speaking, he couldn't learn English. ओके, मुझसे बात करने के बावजूद उसने उससे बात की. In spite of talking to me, he talked to her. Okay, and the next we have थका होने के बावजूद वह काम कर रहा है. How to say in English this sentence? In spite of being tired, he is walking. Okay, next sentence we have दर्द होने के बावजूद वह स्माइल कर रही है. दर्द होने के बावजूद वह स्माइल कर रही है. In spite of having pain, he is smiling. Okay, so this kind of way you have to make lots of sentences. So I think guys you can understood these two preposition very easily. First one is instead of and the second one is in spite of. Instead of के बजाय in spite of के बावजूद. Okay, so we will see in the next video. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment box. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.